Welcome back, guys, to the Wear Here with Ashimary. Once again, it's the same packaging as usual. All right, so first I'm seeing the wig, which we're gonna get into, and then we got a box full of goodies, so we're gonna jump straight into that. I got two different drawstring bags with goodies. I got a wide tooth comb, I got a bonnet, I also got a robe, and then in one of the drawstring bag we got a little Santa and then a little Christmas tree. And I'll put these on the Christmas tree actually because they made the cutest ornaments. And then I got the regular, elastic band, which is branded, edge brush and comb. I got, pins, I got lace tapes. I also got some cluster lashes, which look really bomb, and some wig caps. Now this is today's wig. This is so bomb. This is actually Ashimary's Ginger Highlights on Brown Invisi-strap 360 lace wig. All right, this is glueless, and as you can see, I'm showing you the construction. It came with these gorgeous curls, and the color job is bomb. Okay, it is bomb.com. Like, it's so good. Ashimary never fails. Like, the best constructed wigs, and it's glueless. As you can see, it came with the blue lace tapes already in there on the sides, and then I showed you guys that the package actually had extra, so that's amazing. And look at that lace. Yeah, talk about quality HD lace. The meltdown is insane. It goes crazy every single time. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Ashimary is just that girl. Okay, they get it every single time. The hair feels really good. It's processed, so yes, there is a little bit more shedding, but it's not nothing too excessive. I love the fact that the hair comes pre-styled. The only thing I had to go in and do is like probably touch up the front bangs with like redefining the curl, but it was super easy to just like style and stuff, which we're gonna get into in a few.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed.
I proceeded to just tighten the Invisi-straps, which is super easy. You just want to take the knobs. There are two knobs, and you take the first one to kind of adjust to how tight or loose you want it to be, and you take the second one to lock it in, and afterwards you take the excess string and just tuck that beneath the cap. It's as easy as that, and I do the same thing on the next side.
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
So feel free to go ahead and style the wig any which way you want. This is a 360 wig, so definitely go ahead and explore doing updos. So I'm just doing a few different looks. I took my claw clip and I kind of just gathered all the hair, which this makes one of the easiest and cutest looks ever. I leave out those two pieces of bangs in the front. I didn't even recurl them. I'm just rocking them in the initial portion here without touching up the curls or anything. This is exactly how the wig came straight out of the box, so you see that this wig is ready to wear. Ashimary already does all the work for you. The hair, the lace is bleached, pre-cut, it's pre-plucked. Look at that. Look at that. Stunning. Stunning. Everything is done for you. Like, it's literally giving salon quality. You do not need to go anywhere to get this installed. You can do it yourself, even if you've never applied a wig before. Okay, yeah. And then I went in and I kind of just got the top laid a little flatter, being that it was in the box and stuff. I just wanted to lay the top a little flatter with my hot comb, and that's just me being a little bit of a perfectionist, but it is what it is.
No, I'm never letting show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.
I then went in after doing that and redefined the bangs.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me.
And so once I was done with kind of redefining those portions and stuff, I went on into exploring a different hairstyle. So I did like 2 little low space buns, and you could do high space buns. As I said, it's a 360 wig, so feel free to go ahead and style this however you please. But this was my second look that I explored, and super easy, very to the point, very cute.
When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
Now once I was done with that, I pretty much just went in and I decided to do the classic middle part bust down look. Look at those curls. Insane how good this is straight out of the box. That's absolutely stunning. Ashimary did it again. 10 out of 10. If you want to go ahead and get this wig for yourself, the direct link is down below in my description box. If you want to gift it to somebody, I think it would make the perfect gift. Like, this is bomb. The specifications are listed. If I have a discount code, if there are any promotion, anything like that going on, it will be down below in the description box. But that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. But this is so top tier. This is so good. Like, I was feeling this wig a little bit too much, but yeah. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.